Hello, I'm Derek Temple, and this is my week 3 check-in. And here's my pivotal tracker. I have quite a few things that I have not finished still, my style tiles being one of them. I've been having trouble with the style tiles download. When you go to the site, you get a download of a Photoshop document. And I put the comment here on the project stating what the problem is, but basically it's Photoshop's not wanting to recognize it as a Photoshop document, so I can't do anything with style tiles. So I decided to go ahead and move on, and I have started working with Bootstrap and implementing my responsive visual for mobile. I've also completed a home page and a sign-up page and a login page. And I'm still working on the results page for the searches, but I should have that one done as well. I have the authentication done, so I have a registration and login system set up and working. And I also have the API hooked up now. So I want to show you what I've got done. This is my mobile site on the iOS simulator, and this the title here is a link to the home page. And you can see we're in home. We have a registration and login button. We have the search form where you can type in a search and then you can submit the search. So when you go to register, this form pops up and it just wants your username, so you can create a username like D8 Temple. We'll use Full Sail. We'll just type in a password. And then we'll do register. And you can see now my username shows up here where register used to be, and log out shows up over here. And then if I click log out, it resets to register and login. And if I go back here, I can actually log in. And it brings back my name. So that's going to set a new user to the database. And the next thing I wanted to show is that the API is working. I still only have one of the two APIs I'm going to use set up, and this is the Tiny Song API, so it can search for songs and it'll give me data on the songs, but I cannot yet stream the songs. However, I do have the play functionality hooked up with a demo song that where I actually put the track in my source code and hardwired it. So it's a temporary fix. So you'll notice that one of the things on here is we have this message showing up here that says only members can create and save playlists. This is not supposed to show up until after somebody clicks on this addition button, which the button's not showing up properly either. So I've got to fix the button, and I've got to fix this message so that they don't show up. So like I said before, the results page is not quite ready yet. Yeah. One thing you will notice is that if you hit the play button, sometimes the audio plays and sometimes it doesn't. That's another thing I need to fix with the code. For some reason, the button doesn't come back either. So I've got to fix that. These messages also disappear if you hit the button. So I've got the jQuery set, I'm just not set on the CSS yet. So there's still quite a bit of things that I need to fix within the mobile results page. Aside from the problems I'm having with the results page, the API is working to pull the data in. It tells the track name, and then it tells also the artist name and the album name. And I am getting a link to Grooveshark's website as well, but I'm not displaying that because I don't want to actually send people to Grooveshark's website. I want to allow streaming directly from my app, which is why I'm working on getting the Grooveshark streaming API set up, which will allow me to set these play buttons to actually play the song that's pulled from the TinySong API. That way, I don't have to hard code individual songs in. And that's about it for my project. Hopefully, I'll be able to get a bit more done this coming week. I've got a lot of things that still need to be set up, such as allowing users to create a playlist and save it, and also to be able to view other playlists that people have made. So I've got a lot of things that I want to do. Not sure how much of it I'm going to be able to get done over the next week. And that's all for this week.